Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me OPPO A98, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So firstly, we need to disable the power saving mode if you have it enabled. Then you need to check your internal storage. So open your settings, scroll down, find here about device, and here you'll see the storage. And as you can see, I have used only 29 gigabytes of 256, and it means that I have too much free space. But if you have filled your internal storage over the 70%, it means that you need to free up your storage, because if you fill up your storage over the 70%, your device will start to slowing down, and you can't help with any other applications or tweakings to improve your smartphone performance, because you have no free space now. Okay. Second aspect that can slow down your device is the lack of RAM, so I suggest you open the RAM expansion feature and just use, for example, 6 gigabytes, 4 gigabytes, or 8 gigabytes. Of course, you will need to restart your device, so you need to click restart now, but I will click not now to not restart the device during the video. And great. And the last aspect is the trash files. So sometimes we have trash and junk files on our device, and to clean it we need to use Phone Manager. And using the Phone Manager we can clean it. So choose Open Phone Manager and just click Optimize. And this will clean up your junk files from your internal storage. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.